Hey everyone, so this is me doing a quick in my car makeup look. If you're like me, you are literally putting on makeup everywhere you go because you didn't get up early enough to do it that morning. So what you see me doing here is putting on some really light concealer in order to serve as like a base highlight. To just kind of make those points in my face a little bit lighter than where my normal makeup is. So right here I'm using a brow pencil to outline my brows, and about this time I realized I was out of brow pencil, and so I'm using some brown eyeshadow to kind of fill those spots in. That's me flipping my hair. Now I'm putting on just a little bit of pinkish purple eyeshadow to serve in my crease, and now some shimmer for my inner lids. I always like to have some shine there. At this point I'm brushing off some of the excess makeup I put on my face. And now we are putting on mascara, and my phone doesn't serve as a good mirror there, so we have pulled down that top mirror and not enough shimmer, so we're back on that. Now I'm adding my contour, and I'm really obsessed with our Mary Kay contour. It is really pigmented, but it also just looks natural. I always put it up at the top of my forehead because I think that works really well there. And here is our new illuminating drop, and it is super pigmented and it looks really great. So I usually try to put it on my upper cheekbones. Now I'm blending in my makeup because sometimes you get those harsh lines when you put on things. You definitely want to avoid those. One thing that I always do is lip liner. I think that just really makes your lipstick look a lot better. And as you can see, I added some of our illuminating drops into my lipstick to make it shine a little, and always finish with your finishing spray.